Right then, hi there. This is a first for me. I've never done an unboxing before, but I wanted to show you this because I think this is really nice, nicely engineered and really pretty. This is a excuse me. This is a motor trike rake kit going on a Gen 2 GL1800 that I'm building on the Razor trike that's just over there. I'll show you that in a sec. You're only going to get a quick preview until I do the final walk around, then you'll see all of it. So here we go then, unboxing. Wait for this. There's the Razor, and that's all you're going to see of that for a minute until I do my final walk around. Right, one rake kit in a box. Here we go. This is not going to be easy because I'm doing this one-handed, and I've seen a load of these on YouTube, so I know exactly how difficult this is to do. Right, first layer, nice bit of foam, packaging foam. Nice label, says Razor, says motor trike. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you for your purchase. Nice one. There we go. Right, top layer, or top of the box. I've got here some fixing bolts, top and bottom bearings. These bearings. I've got here, if you get them out, the fork extensions go on the top, 2-inch billet. Fork extensions, 2 of those, there's the other one. I'm going to stick that back in its hole for now, just keep it safe. Right then, are you ready for this, guys? Because this is really pretty. All nice soft foam, beautifully packaged. Here's the top race. Top race, I've done it again. Top yoke. Top yoke. Now that is nicely engineered. It's really pretty. Really pretty. That is really nice. I've not fitted one of these motor trike rake kits, so this is the first one for me. A bit more packaging. Packaging. And then the bottom of here. This is the bottom yoke. Again, that is really nice, nicely engineered, very pretty. It's really, really nice. Okie doke. So, there you go. Bottom yoke, top yoke. Gonna get all that on tomorrow. And we'll see what it looks like when it's all finished. Just stick it back in there. That is really nicely packaged. Very nice, nice sturdy box. Anyway, that's the end of my first unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Cheers then. Thank you. Bye bye.